Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be doing a unboxing video again, and this time it's going to be on a set of ITR Rearsets. ITR are from Spain, and they make some really cool stuff at some fairly good prices comparing to other European brands. They've been quite successful recently. They've been slowly building up their brand. They're in MotoGP, they're in Moto2 and Moto3. Slowly they're coming out, and I've been able to bring them here to Australia, and from what I can tell, great product. We've never had any issues with them. They make quite a lot of products, and we'll do quite a lot of unboxing videos on them in the future. For now, let's get back to the Rearsets. So these Rearsets are for the Yamaha 6. I believe they'll fit pretty much anything from 2006 to the latest model. Because they're all the same frame and not much change in that aspect, apart from, I think, the R6. The new R6 basically comes with a quick shifter, so I think the length of the rod for the shifting is different. So I've already kind of filmed a little bit of the unboxing. I'm just gonna chuck it now into the video. Again, thank you all for watching. Alright, let's open this box. So we have a right hand side reset here, ITR Rearsets. As you can see, they come in black and pre-assembled with all the bolts and everything in place. All you have to do is basically just bolt them back onto the frame. As you can see, have a look at that foot peg there. So that's got really nice edge grip for your ball control. Now let's have a look at the other one. So that's the left hand side, or the shift side. One thing to notice is that the ITR Rearsets come with the carbon fiber heel guards. So hopefully, obviously it helps with the making them lighter, and also helps with the strength. So again, you can see here the foot peg for the ITR Rearsets. It looks really nice and smooth on the main body, but on the edge it's really grippy. So that's obviously, this is a shift rod, and probably the best thing to notice about the shift rod is the fact that you can set these up to be either race or shift or road street pattern, which is very important nowadays for pretty much most people. So we'll just let's put them all in one shot. So pretty easy to notice. Like when I had the Rearsets in my hand, you can tell straight away that they're very robust, very sturdy, very strong, very well assembled straight away. So also as you can see, there's 4 options to move them forward or back, and also 2 options to move them up and down. So fairly decent amount of adjustability there to get them to your comfort level. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any recommendations, comments, remarks, pointers, or what you would like us to unbox next, please do leave us a comment in the comment section. If you want to keep up to date still with all our videos that are going to be coming out weekly, hopefully, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button next to it. Apart from that, thanks again for watching. Thank you.